Hey, what's up guys? Today we've got something special for all of you who are tired of earbuds and headphones while working out or enjoying outdoor activities. It's time to unbox and explore the cutting-edge Naenka Runner Neo, a bone conduction headphones. As per usual guys, we'll check its physical overview, features and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? The Naenka Neo bone conduction headphones itself, obviously. 6 sound quality enhancer with different sizes. A wireless charging station. Some earplugs if you prefer complete isolation. And the silicone adjustment band if the headphones does not fit you. And lastly, the manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the Naenka Neo bone conduction headphones are expertly crafted from durable rubberized plastic, ensuring they can withstand your active lifestyle. On both sides, you'll find the advanced bone conduction technology, which delivers sound through your cheekbones, offering an open ear design that keeps you aware of your surroundings. The left side proudly displays the Naenka logo, a symbol of quality and innovation. On the right side, you'll find the volume up and down buttons along with the multi-function button for easy control of your music and calls. Lastly, a simple lighting indicator is located over here so you'll have an idea what is up. Just check this out for more info. Now let's talk about the features that make the Naenka Neo bone conduction headphones truly exceptional. The Naenka Runner Neo incorporates a high-efficiency vibrator 3.0 technology, elevating your music experience to a new level. With a 55% larger vibrator area and an intelligent reverse improvements, you'll get 57 increase of sound quality. The exclusive sound quality spatial and rhythmic customization further enhances your audio bliss. No more struggling with earbuds during workouts. Naenka Neo offers a bone conduction technology that delivers sound through your cheekbones, ensuring you enjoy music without blocking your ears. This keeps you connected with the environment, making it perfect for outdoor sports enthusiasts. Whether you're sweating it out at the gym or running in the rain, these headphones can handle it all. The Naenka Neo is certified with IP66 waterproofing, offering a full resistance against sweat, moisture, and dust, allowing you to enjoy a high-quality music even on rainy days. Say goodbye to the constant charging. With an impressive 10-hour battery life, these headphones keep the music going throughout your workout sessions. Plus, the wireless charging capability ensures quick and hassle-free charging, so you're always ready to go. Comfort is key, especially during long hours of workout. Naenka Neo weighs only around 25 grams and comes with a flexible titanium neckband, providing a maximum comfort during extended use. The open ear designs ensure a painless and hygienic experience, keeping your ear canals clean and healthy. Now about the sound quality, like I always say about any bone conduction headphones, this is very much different from any normal headphones since we are hearing the sound from the vibration alone. So there's no way I can record the sound and let you guys hear it. So basically you just have to trust my judgment over this one. And to be honest, there's not much difference from the Naenka Runner Pro in terms of sound quality, but the Runner Neo is a bit louder for some reason. The highs are clear, the mids are okay, but the low frequency is lacking a lot. However, when you wear the sound enhancer, the bass and the mids will have a nice sound output. Again, this is not for everyone, so if you expect a headphones kind of sound quality, then this is not for you. Anyway, for the sound quality, let's give it a 7.8 out of 10. So this is the sound of the Naenka's built-in microphone in an indoor environment. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check mic test 1 2 3 4. Now let's check it outside. So this is the sound of the Naenka Neo's built-in microphone in an outdoor environment. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check mic test 1 2 3 4. Well, not bad. The sound of the microphone is very clear compared to the Naenka Runner Pro. But of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So for the mic sound quality, I'll give this a 7.2 out of 10. Now let's talk about comfort. To be honest, I think this is a bit loose for me, and this is where the silicone band comes in. However, I'm not a fan of this idea, and adjusting it is a bit of a hassle. The headphones are comfortable though, and I love the texture feel around my head. Having nothing on your ears while listening to music is satisfyingly comfortable. So for the comfort quality, I think I'll give this an 8.2 out of 10. If you'll ask me if I'll recommend it, well, that is a yes, since it is much cheaper than its competitor and the quality you get is the same. Remember to check the link in the description and use the exclusive promo code on your screen to have a 15% discount. If you think this is not for you, then check out the other headphones reviews we have on your screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.